Hello engineers, so let's try to solve the sample problem taken from the past REE board exam. So yung problem natin, is a balanced 3-piece load draws a 75 ampere line current at 230 volts line to line and 0.848 lagging power factor. If the 2 wattmeter method is used, solve for the reading of the wattmeter. So let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. First is isa-solve po muna natin yung value ng ating theta or ating angle. So that is yung power factor natin is 0.848. So that is cosine -1 of 0.848, that is 32 degrees. So confirm lang natin. Cosine -1 of 0.848, that is 32 degrees. The next, inter mode 1. So sa calculator natin, dapat naka-mode 1 tayo. And then, input, rect function of BI, theta. So gamitin natin to. So rect function, that is yung rect function natin dito is shift minus. Shift minus. Then BI, that is 230 times 75, comma. Then angle natin is 32 degrees. Then equal. So may result tayo na 14.628.83 and then y is equal to 9,141.11. So itong result na to is automatic naka-stored sa ating variable x and variable y. So next, inter mode 5.1. So sa calculator natin, punta tayo sa mode 5.1. And then meron tayong display na tatlong column, which is column A, column B, at saka column C. So input natin 1, 1 square root of 3x and then 1, -1 y. So input natin 1, 1 square root of 3. So lagyan natin ng parenthesis and then alpha x and then 1, -1 and then square root of y. And then equal natin. So inter-equal. So na-equal na pala natin kanina, no? So inter-equal, so yung magiging result natin dito is x is equal to 7,239.49 and then yung y natin is 8,098.38. So therefore, yung x dito is our W1 and yung y is our W2. So therefore, yung sagot natin dito is 17.24 kilowatts at saka 8.1 kilowatts. So that is letter D. Okay? So let's simulate the Caltech solution from the start. So mode 1 and then rec 230 times current 75 and then comma sa angle natin na 32. Then automatic stored yung result sa x and y. Then go to mode 5.1 and then 1, 1 square root of 3 and then alpha x and then 1, -1 square root of y. Square root of y. 1, y, 1, -1 variable y. And then equal natin. So that is 7,239 or 17.24. And then y is equal to 8,098 or that is 8.1 kilowatts. Okay, let's proceed with our problem number 2. So this problem is taken from REE September 2008. So yung problem natin is a balanced three-phase 230 volt circuit. The line current is 90 amperes. The power is measured by 2 wattmeter method. If the power factor is 100% and the line current is the same, what is the reading on each wattmeter? So let's solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So first, isolve po muna natin yung value ng theta. So that is cosine -1, which is equal to 0 degrees. And then mode 1. So mode 1. And then input natin rect pi, comma theta. So we have, yung rect natin pala dito is shift minus. So that is shift minus 230 times 90, which is our current, comma, angle 0. And then equal. So may value ng x and y. So itong result na to is automatically stored to variable x and y. And then next is mode 5.1. So mode 5.1. So we have this display. And then input natin 1, 1, square root of 3x, and then 1, -1, variable y. So input natin 1, 1, square root of 3x, and then 1, -1, variable y. So equal. So we have a result of x is equal to 7,926.73. And then yung y natin is 17,926.73. So therefore, yung x natin is our W1 and yung y natin is our W2. Since equal lang yung dalawang wattmeter, so therefore yung sagot dito is 17.9 kilowatts. So 17.9 kilowatts yung reading ng bawat wattmeter. Okay, let's simulate the Caltech solution once again from the start. So mode 1, and then rect pi, that is 230 times 90, comma, angle natin na 0 degrees. And then equal, mode 5.1. So 1, 1, square root of 3, and then alpha x, and then 1, -1, variable y. So equal, that is 17,926 and y is 17,926. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.